drawing Peppa and George eating pizza!
Yay!
So, let's get started. We will start by drawing George. To draw George's face, we will draw his round head, little snout, smile, and ears. Now, we will draw George's body and arms. In George's hands, we will draw a delicious pizza. After George, we will draw Peppa. I will draw her little snout, round face, eyes, ears, and a cute big smile. Next, we will draw her dress. Now, let's draw a table in front of them, and there are 2 glasses on the table. On the table, we will draw another pizza. Add some toppings on this pizza. Now, we will highlight our drawing. Next, it's time to fill colors in our drawing. We will start by coloring George's face and arms light pink. Now, we will color his clothes dark blue. Now, we will color Peppa's skin light pink. Now we will color the glasses blue, pizza red, and toppings yellow. Next, we will color the dishes gray. It's time to color the tablecloth purple. It's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.